next little shindig are our scissors sideways. So you're going to lay on your side. Both legs will be straight. And you're going to reach those legs all the way long. Abs are up the best you can. And you're going to lift both legs up a little bit. And you're going to bring one leg forward and the other leg back. And now we're going to change as we exhale. 1 and a 1. Beautiful. 2 and a 2. And 3 and 3 and 4 and 4. One more time, please. 5 and 5. Very good. Okay, strap off the foot and let's flip to the other side and do scissors on the other side. Again, with all of these, we're doing a few repetitions in a good alignment with several different variations, but you could just pick one of them and do 10 or so, and that would be just fine, wouldn't it? Yeah, okay. Lift the legs, one leg forward, the other leg back, and go for it. Change. A 1 and a 1 and a 2. Look at how nice her shoulders are down her back. 3 and a 3. And a 4, and a 4. Last set. 5 and a 5. Whew. Rest. Okay. Are we ready for some Developpe? All right, so we're going to flip back over to the other side. And we're actually, for this one, we'll have your legs a little bit on a diagonal forward, just to have a little bit of support. Good. And we're going to be in turned out now. So heels together, toes apart. Waist is up, and we can do this two ways. You can do it where you keep your hips square, or where you bring your leg with you and go to full extension. And since we're working on stability, let's do the harder way, which is keeping your hips square and not going into your full range. How does that sound? Okay, so you're going to bring the right leg down in front of you, flex the foot, drag it along the ground, up your leg. Then you're going to reach your leg out, keep that left side supporting you, and bring the leg back down. Nice. And again, flex the foot and drag it up. Reach the leg out long. If you can, keep the underneath waist lifted and bring it down. That adds even more fun to it. And one more this way. Drag it up. Reach it up. And now reach it out and down. Let's go the other way. You're going to reach the leg out and up. Now you're going to flex the foot, bend the knee, bring it to the mat, and then press out and point the toes. Good. And bring the leg up. And then bend and flex. Bring that down to the carriage. Press it out and point the toes. Beautiful. One more. Out and up. Bend the knee and flex. And reach it out and point those toes. Nice job. Rest. Other side. Yes, I find them much more fun when you do a smaller range with more stable torso, because that's not what my body likes to do. My body likes to go all over the place. Okay. Heels together, toes apart. And we're going to bring your left leg, flex the foot, and bring it up in front. Good. Reach the leg up to the sky and point the toes and squeeze. And same thing here. We're doing our best to keep the hip up and then rock this a little forward. Pull this left rib back. Okay. And flex the foot and drag it up. No one else could see that but me. And reach the leg out and point the toe and bring it down. Good. One more. And bend the knee, flex the foot and drag it up. Reach the leg out, point the toe, and sweep it down. Good job. Let's reverse it. Reach the leg out and up, bend the knee, flex the foot, and press it through. Good. And reach that leg out and up, bend the knee, flex the foot, and press it through. And last one. Reach the leg out and up, bend the knee, flex the foot, and press it through. Good. Nice. All right, are we feeling our inner thighs yet? Okay, let's feel them a little more. Take this strap off. Now we're going to have some big fun. Flip back over and we're going to do some full Grand Battements. Now, what I would love to do is have you maybe shimmy down a tiny bit and heels together, toes apart. And we're going to go and then let our leg come up past where we lose tension, okay, for your big stretch. And then we're going to pull it down. We'll just do 5. So reach the leg out and up, and then you can bring it up. You can let the hip go down a little bit and get a little stretch. Do we feel anything? And then we're going to come out and down and then press down. Now, if you don't have that kind of range at home, just go to where you can and feel a little stretch. Go again. Out and up. And then you want to reach energy out that bottom leg and then out and down. Now, the whole time you're trying to keep the left side supporting you, but it's okay to let it go down as long as you have the awareness of it as you're going. Out and up, so the left side may go down, but don't let it go to sleep. And then out and down. Do you have 2 more of these in you? And out and up. She's like, yes, this feels great. Big stretch. And out and down. Well, we wouldn't want them to think that your legs can't smack you in the face, because they can. 1 more. Out and up. Very good. And out and down. Nice. All right. 1 more. Other side. Here we go, honey. Flip it. Your legs can be a little diagonal front. Abs are up and in, head is out and away. Here we go. Out and up. And then when you need to, you can let the hip go up and get your big stretch. Keep the support from underneath. And then out and down. Nice. 1. And out and up. See how beautifully her hip rotates in her hip socket. And then out and down. She's laughing. 2. Good thing she's laughing and not crying. Out and up. Do, 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 do. Good. 3. 2 more if we can. Out and up. Good job. Out and down. 4. Do we have 1 more? All right, she's got it. Out and up. Nice job. And out and down. 5. That was fabulous. Go ahead, take this strap off your foot, and you've made it through side lying legs with those springs. So much fun.